To start off, we created two tables, the employee table and the college ID table. The employee, see, my grandpa as IT specialist would he would he's going through retirement right now. He usually interviews people, usually straight out of college, out of school, I listed college on this list, and their major would be some sort of business, because he would be business major. And the college ID has our college ID number, work experiences, and the number of years and their degree. So that's this. Field width, yeah, and then we can do the same for this one. Okay, next we want to create a relationship. So let's these those ones equals relationship. And let's do college ID. Oh, I already created a relationship. I already created a relationship between the college ID. See that? There is a relationship created because these two are the same information in two different tables. So we'll close that. Relationship saved. Alright, now as we see these, we're gonna let's create a query just based off the bachelor's and degree. So let's create queries now. And let's do off the table. Actually, let's go import the table. No, redesign employee table. Let's go. What is the last version? Well, actually, the report table, and then major. Actually, that would be major. Employee table. We'll go employee ID. First name. And major enables as inner, and let's run this query. And see, it shows every single person who has the major MIT. So there's a query. We'll save this as employer employee. Alright. So save, close that, and then we'll make one on the copy. And we'll see all the people who have a degree, a bachelor's degree. Create, redesign, let's go, ID, then we'll put that. And as you see, we can. So basically, when we put bachelor's and degree, it just gives you anybody who has a bachelor's degree. So So say if we wanted to see bachelor degree and how much work experience they got. So we'll just go back to design view and we'll put work experience. We'll put 2 years of experience, and then and see these are the people with at least 2 years of work experiences and a bachelor's degree or 2 years of work experience. I'm gonna change that back. And then we'll enter the job for a bachelor's degree. Save as college ID. Oh, let's do college. Okay, we'll make one more for the employee, and then we'll put college. So, let's go create, design, employee, uh, um, we'll go to college. So let's say college mercantile Georgia College. And then and these are all the people that went to Georgia College. And that's how it splits it. So say if we went in here and did MIT, this one will be off, and we'll show you these two. We'll put MIT and Superior at Georgia College. So let's say this as employee Georgia College. And then let's say close. And then say once we went to table letter views, this sort. So anything I use for my college ID, the crew just go in there. Anything for employee, he goes in. That's great. Um, fields. Let's pull last name, first name, college major. Second. Let's say basically it'll put anything from this list that I put in here and this. So yeah, I didn't add college ID, so college ID is not in there. So basically the simple wording just condenses the list. I could add or stuff too, but I'm not going to. And then I'm just gonna X that out. And then see what else we can do. Yeah, we can do that. So design the employee and say I did and enter the let's say enter And then we'll enter college. Hmm. Hmm. Instead, oh, it's not showing me information. We could say, mm, we could say between, actually, let's not do this. We want to do it so, so we're gonna do it to, what y'all do? Ran them out of time. Alright. I'll check that. And it'll show us what all the bachelors is. So we'll say this as college. So if we close this, we go to reset, we say doctors. It'll show us the